Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is second video in disease prediction in machine learning and deployed in Django. In a first video, I showed you a simple demonstration of how our project or how our system works. So in this second video, we are just going to load our dataset. So a quick start is importing necessary libraries. Here I'm going to import pandas as PD. From pandas import read underscore CSV. Then I will import OS. Then I import numpy as np. Then after here, let me put a comment that loading or importing libraries. Yes, after that, what I needed to do is to load the dataset. Our dataset is present in this folder named dataset, then training.csv. So a next step is to specify the file path of our dataset. So file name is equal to double quotes, then name of folder, which is dataset slash training dot csv. Then after data is equal to read underscore csv, then file name. After that, data dot head to show first 5 rows of our dataset. From pandas import read underscore csv. Then this is our dataset. We have successfully loaded our dataset. So one more or two more things we can do is to check the dataset data.d types, to check the data types of our column. As you can see, actually all column are of integer type, so I know this prognosis is of type object, but in coming tutorials I'll show you how we can convert object to integers. Let me copy this. Actually, this is the list of symptoms, right? So let me put comment that list of symptoms. Then I put in a variable named, yes, it should be something like this. So yes, this is a list of symptoms. I put it in list or array1. Then after, I need to show the list of disease. So here I can say put comment list of disease. So disease Diseases is equal to data, then prognosis, something like this. Yes. Then after disease, let me copy this. I copy this, paste it here. Then head 100 dot unique, right? After that, now you can see this is the list of our disease, right? So actually this is an end of our second video in disease prediction tutorial series in machine learning and deployed in Django. What we have done in this tutorial is loading our dataset, listing a list of symptoms and listing a list of disease. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment and subscribe for next video update. Also do not miss the third video of our tutorial series. Thanks and see you in the next videos.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.